welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create animated logo in Canva. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create animated logo in your Canva, then all you gotta do is simply go to your Canva. Once you open your Canva, you need to now design your logo first, or you can also go to templates and simply type in logo. Once you simply use the logo option from the templates, you can select any of the logo that matches your aesthetic, and now you can use the built-in animation features by selecting elements and applying preset elements like slide or pop or pulse, or use the create an animation feature for custom paths by dragging the elements on the Canva transitions like match and move between duplicate pages, and finally export as an MP4 or GIF. So if you're gonna do this, then you can simply animate your logo in your Canva. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.